Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Honda Fit the easy way. This simple maintenance task can save you money and keep your engine running smoothly. You will need a few basic tools like a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and jack stands. Make sure you also have new engine oil and a fresh oil filter ready to go. Let's get started with the preparation. First, ensure your vehicle is safely lifted and secured on jack stands. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath the plug. Carefully remove the drain plug with your wrench, allowing all the old, dirty engine oil to flow completely into the pan. This step usually takes several minutes. Once the old oil has drained, it is time to remove the old oil filter. Use your oil filter wrench for this. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it is snug, then give it about an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, replace the drain plug and tighten it firmly to prevent any leaks. Now, carefully add the new engine oil through the fill cap. For a Honda Fit, this is typically around 3.5 quarts. Start the engine and let it run for a minute or two, then check for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, and then check the oil level on the dipstick. Remember to properly dispose of the used oil and filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.